G'day everyone, Ian Fegan here, also known as Professor Shoelace. Now this morning someone from Finland suggested that I demonstrate how the Ian knot 0.5 degrees, which is just above freezing. So should make for a good demo. Let's give it a try. I've just zoomed down on my little stand here. Untie my knot. Give it a go. Now here's my starting knot. Then the finishing knot, simply 2 loops, pass through each other. Again, 2 loops, and the loose ends get fed past each other to make the knot. And as you can see, that's something you can do even with gloves on. Want more information about the Ian knot? You can go to Ian Shoelace site. Whoop, there we go. Have a good one.